Hi Fauhowers, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy YouTube video link in mobile. This tutorial is very useful for you who wants to copy video link from YouTube app. Okay, for the first, make sure that your phone has been connected to the internet. Once your phone has been connected to the internet, just open YouTube app. After opening YouTube app, just find the video you want to copy the link. For example, I want to scroll down. Okay, I choose this video.
Paket Shopee.
Elsa, tunggu. Semangat banget kamu ya.
Halo guys, David.
I want to copy this video link. How to do this? Just tap share button. And then you will find copy link. Just tap this copy link. After copying the link, you can open any messaging app. Like this, messages. And then just paste here. Here is the video link. You can use this link and share to your social media or another messaging app. I hope this tutorial is very useful for you and helping you in copying video link from YouTube app. Don't forget to subscribe to Fauhow channel and make sure that you have turned on notification so that you will be the first person I notify when I upload the latest video about digital tutorial. Thank you.